Hey, it's Angela and we're back with another vlog. Today we're checking out Shakespeare's Pub and Grille. It's a lovely pub with some of the nicest staff I've ever met, and it's plastered in English memorabilia. I've never been here, but locals love it for authentic British food, epic football matches, and I don't know, other British things.
This is Mrs. Featherbottom.
From Blackstool. I'm charmed, I'm sure.
It's a cute neighborhood. What is this technically? Bankers Hill?
Yeah.
Nailed it. I'm excited. I've lived here for like, what, 8 years now? And I've never been down this street. Harry Potter's butterbeer. That's cute. Who goes to a British pub and gets veggie tiki masala?
That's big.
Is it?
Yeah, because they pretty much had
India?
India for the longest time, and that's like a British favorite. So we're gonna get fish and chips, tikka masala, and also the shepherd pie.
Okay.
And extra plates. Authentic British cider, blackthorn. Yum yum.
So this place is super cute. Lots of British memorabilia. A lot of actual British people sitting around drinking.
Oh shit, that's a lot of food. Yeah, we're sharing it. We're doing family style. Oh my god, we're gonna eat like crazy today. It looks so good. It looks authentic.
Thick, crispy, fresh, hot.
I like when they're fluffy and not like rock hard. They're good ass fries.
Alright, chicken masala. Oh, it's actually pretty spicy.
We got the naan.
Warm naan. Looks really good.
We might have to find a way to smuggle some of this into our bags. We needed the 2 more people. This would have been perfect for 2. For 5.
Potatoes, ground beef, with some like cheese crusted on top. Very rich, very hearty. And then a side of peas. That's good. I dig it.
Oh, you stole mine.
Did I?
That was my cut.
Oh, I cut it earlier.
Whatever. Try to steal my food. It's so moist. Oh my gosh. It's so tender and flaky. Freshly battered, not frozen.
I did the healthiest version by getting rid of the outside. Tartar sauce, super creamy. Not fishy at all.
Fucking amazing.
For 2 people, we had 3 dishes. Next time, we will definitely bring more people with us to finish these meals.
It's like $16, $17 a plate. Enough to feed like 2 people each plate. Seriously, 2 people. And delicious.
Well, our manager wanted to offer you a dessert if you'd like to try one.
No, we can't even move.
Yeah.
I can barely get back onto the bike. I don't even know if this helmet would fit.
I know.
It was delicious though.
Yeah, so do you want me to clear everything? Are you done? Or do you want us to wait for a bit?
Everyone here was super nice. The entire staff like stopped by and just made sure we enjoyed our meal, so it was super appreciative, especially in such trying times, right? All right, well, thank you, Shakespeare Pub. We're gonna get ready to go back home, and we'll see you next time.
Same one since high school. Aren't you glad you got the liner one and a real jacket?
I know. Yeah,
It's worth it.
It feels safer.